I used to grind my teeth when I was younger, and I ground them just flat. I just pretty much destroyed my teeth. Probably didn't seek the help that I needed when I was younger to stop grinding, and just continued to grind them away to where they were really, really bad. It got to the point where, I was losing confidence, self-confidence in myself, and embarrassed to go out in public. And I worked really hard to stop grinding. I really didn't get no professional or medical help to do it. I just, consciously kept telling myself to, every time I caught myself grinding, to stop and stop. And I just kept doing that, and eventually I overcame it. So that's what helped me make the decision to start the dental work that I needed. This dentist office is able to do them within a few days, and they can do multiple implants as well. So that was a key selling point. Everything was done in-house. They have a professional staff that everybody seems to know their particular field that they're working in, and I was just very professional. Yeah, it was emotional because I knew that it made me feel better about myself. I just, people look at me differently now. I just don't feel like I'm being judged the way I was before, even though, I believe that my grinding was probably a medical condition that I, learned to overcome myself. But it had a negative impact in a huge way on me. My brother-in-law told me, he says, "Boy," he says, "you've got perfect teeth now." He says, "If I didn't know that you actually had some work done," he said, "I would just think you're one of those people that have perfect teeth."